Hello students, today we are going to see one new lesson. That lesson name is Alice in Wonderland. So we will see Alice in Wonderland. Okay. Uh, one sunny morning, Alice was sitting under a tree with her sister who was reading a book. Alice had nothing to read and he was bored. One day Alice is sitting under a tree, but Alice's sister also reading book. But Alice had nothing to read. She just only bored. Okay, so what about next? We will see. Alice is very bored because she had nothing to read. Suddenly, the white rabbit came running by saying, I am late, I am late. And he took his watch out of his pocket to look at the time. And suddenly, what happened? One white rabbit is coming and he is saying that I am late, I am late. And he took his watch out of his pocket and he is saying, look at the time, look at the time, I am late, I am late. Then what happened next? Dear Rabbit, please wait. Will come with you. Dear Rabbit, please wait. I will come with you, cried Alice, running after him when the rabbit went down a hole. Down went Alice after him. What happened? Now rabbit running after him, and rabbit went down his hole. And afterwards, Alice is coming, and Alice also going down in that hole. Okay, so what happened next? Alice kept on falling. I in the middle of the earth, Alice asked herself. On the way, Alice saw many things like map, books, toys, playing cards, food, and a mirror. Whichever country I am going to, I must be ready to say hello to the people, Alice thought. And what happened when Alice went to the hole? At that time, he just only see middle of the earth, and he saw many things like map, books, toys, playing cards, food, and mirror. What happened next? What happened next? They see here and now Alice is very curious. What happened next? What which was things she saw. So she is very curious about the whole and the things also. Okay, so what happened next? We will see. Here now Alice fell down. Thump. How was the sound? Thump. Alice landed at the bottom of the hole just in time to see the white rabbit disappearing through a little door. Alice looked around and found she was in a big hall. She tried to squeeze through the little but she was too big. Now here Alice last at the end of the bottom, she just only sound thumb. Means she fall down and the white rabbit disappeared. And she looked around here and there, but rabbit is not there. Now what happened next? Thumb. Alice landed at the bottom of the hole just in time to see the white rabbit disappearing. And that white rabbit, she is looking here and there, but white rabbit is not there. She tried to squeeze through the little door, but she was too big. That door is what? How was the door? The door is little, but Alice is too big. So how can she squeeze the door? In this way, what happened next? Alice began to cry. Then she found a bottle with a label, drink me. So she did, and suddenly she started growing smaller and smaller until she found herself standing in the pool. That her tears had made in the pool of tears. She met many curious creatures. Now what happened? Alice found a little bottle, and in that little bottle, what written? Drink me. But afterwards, what happened? Suddenly, that bottle is growing smaller and smaller until she found herself standing in the pool, and she became a cry. She saw many curious things, many creature. Creature means new animals, insects or animals she saw. See what happened next. Now Alice, a dodo, a duck, and a mouse said hello to her. A dodo, a duck, and mouse said hello to her and swam around her. They all climbed on the river back and played a game with Alice. They drew a circle and then ran around and around until they were completely dry. Now here Dudo. आता Dudo means what here? Dudo हा 20 वर्षापूर्वी 20,000 वर्षापूर्वी ॲनिमल अस्तित्वात होता असं शास्त्रज्ञांचं मत आहे. पण आता काय झालेलं आहे, तो डुडो हा ॲनिमल अवशेषात नाहीये, त्याचा अवशेष फक्त मिळालेले आहेत. एक सांगायचा भाग असा आहे की शास्त्रज्ञांनी हा ॲनिमल हुडकून काढलेला आहे. तर हा ॲनिमल एक वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण असा ॲनिमल आहे की हा रायटरनीही तो उल्लेख केलेला आहे. बट दॅट डुडो इज 20,000 वर्षापूर्वी तो डुडो ॲनिमल्स काय झालेला होता, पण आत्ता काय झालेला नाहीये, तो ॲनिमल अस्तित्वात नाहीये. सी नाव न्यू क्रिएचर दॅट इज नेम इज ड्युडो. ड्युडो इज नॉट अवेलेबल, नॉट नाव. आता जर आपण बघायचं झालं तर ड्युडो अस्तित्वातच नाहीये. So Dudo, duck and mouse, they are saying to Alice hello, and they are playing with the Alice, and they just only circle around him, and they just only enjoy Alice, and Alice also playing with them. See the picture, you see the picture carefully. You saw that. Okay. Now next, what happened? Then the white rabbit came running by. Oh dear, I have left my gloves and fan at home, said the rabbit, looking very upset. The white rabbit went into his house and Alice followed. Once inside the house, Alice could not find the white rabbit, but she did find a little bottle with a label, "Drink me." So she drank some, and then, to her surprise, she grew taller and taller. She grew until she hit the ceiling. And now what happened next? Now Alice saw rabbit, but she nothing to saw. What happened next? There is a rabbit, and what happened to that rabbit? Rabbit is going here and there, but she saw one bottle. In that bottle, one name is written, "Drank me." What name is written? Drank me. So what happened next? She saw here and there that grew taller and taller. Now when she drink water, she grew bigger, and now taller and taller. Afterwards, before she become a smaller and smaller. But now when she drink water, she become a bigger and bigger. What happened next now? Alice looked out of the window and saw the white rabbit coming towards the house with some little animals. They were pulling a wagon filling with small pebbles. At the rabbit's order, they all started throwing the pebbles at Alice. How dreadful, thought Alice. But the pebbles turned into teeny cakes. What happened now? All the animals threw on pebbles. Pebbles means here small types of stone. आता इथं काय अर्थ आहे पेबलचा? पेबलचा अर्थ काय? छोटे छोटे खडे. आता छोटे छोटे खडे वेगवेगळ्या कलरचे आहेत. व्हाईट कलरचा आहे, ब्लॅक कलरचा आहे. तुम्हाला वाळू माहिती आहे ना? वाळूमध्ये असे छोटे छोटे कलर्स असतात. कलरफुल स्टोन्स आपण बनवूया तिथं. मग ह्या कलरफुल स्टोनला ते बघतायत आणि नाव ॲलिस थ्रू करायला लागलेत ते त्यांच्यावरती. मग ॲलिसच्या अंगावर फेकायला लागले. बट ॲलिस वॉज व्हेरी अपसेट अँड शी थॉट दॅट हाऊ ड्रेडफुल थॉट ॲलिस, हे किती भयानक आहे. बट द पेबल्स टर्न इन टू टिनी केक्स अँड ॲट दॅट टाइम व्हॉट हॅपन दॅट all the pebbles turned into the small cakes. That pebbles, all the pebbles म्हणजे ते छोटे छोटे खडे होते ना, ते छोटे छोटे खडे केक मध्ये त्याचं काय झालंय, रूपांतर झालेलं आहे. त्या खड्यांचं रूपांतर काय झालेलं आहे, छोट्या छोट्या केक मध्ये झालेले आहे. सो ॲलिस वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी टू सी टर्न इन टू द टिनी केक्स. So students, how is the lesson? I think you like all the lesson very interestingly. Okay, so now we will see exercises in this lesson. Match column to the actions in column A and B. First A, Alice's sister, white rabbit, Alice, a dodo, a duck and a mouse, little animal. Now B, went down a hole after the rabbit swam around Alice. Now first answer is Alice's sister was reading a book. Second, white rabbit. What the white rabbit is doing? What the white rabbit is doing? White rabbit is took out his watch. Yes, white rabbit took out his watch. Then Alice went down a hole after the rabbit. Then a dodo, a duck and a mouse swam around Alice. And next one, last, little animals. What the little animals do? Little animals were pulling a wagon. What? Were pulling a wagon. Now exercise. First question. Answer the questions given below. Why was Alice bored? Alice's sister was reading a book, but Alice had nothing to read, so she was bored. Now next question. Name of the things Alice saw as she went down the hole. Now answer. What is the answer? Answer. Alice saw many things like map, books, toys, playing cards, food and a mirror as she went down the hole. Okay, now next question. Where did Alice see the white rabbit disappearing? Answer. Alice saw the white rabbit disappearing through a little door. Now next question. I think you understand all the questions answers. Now next questions. Why couldn't Alice enter through the little door? Answer. Alice couldn't enter through the little door because she was too big. Now next question. What was written on both the bottle? Now you tell me. Drink me was written on both the bottle. Why was the white rabbit upset? The white rabbit was upset as he had left his gloves and fan at home. So that's the reason the white rabbit upset. Now next question. What happened when Alice drank from the bottle the second time? What happened when the Alice drank from the bottle the second time? Now answer. When Alice drank from the bottle the second time, she grew taller and taller until she hit the ceiling. What did the pebbles turn into? Pebble means what? Small stones. That I think colorful stone. You can say colorful stone. Okay. So the pebbles turn into tiny cakes. What? The pebble turn into tiny cakes. What is the answer? I hope today you enjoy the lesson and you solve now question and answers